So today I'm giving you a quick, honest review of the Pixel 10 Pro XL and helping you figure out if Google's biggest phone of 2025 is actually worth buying. Before I get into the specs, let me start with something surprising. There's one subtle upgrade in this phone that instantly makes it feel faster than last year's Pixel. But I'll reveal that part in a bit. First, the design. On paper, it looks familiar, clean lines, matte finish, big display. But the moment you turn it on, the screen transforms the whole experience. The new OLED panel is brighter, smoother, and way easier to see outdoors. It's one of those things you don't appreciate until you go back to any older phone. Now, here's where things get interesting. If you've ever had a Pixel slow down during multitasking, the 10 Pro XL has hidden performance jump this year. Google quietly optimized Tensor's G4 to handle background processes better, and you feel it immediately, especially when switching between apps or recording a video. Speaking of video, this is the biggest camera improvement in years. The low light performance, instant transformation. You get more detail, less grain, and colors that actually look realistic instead of washed out. Even the stabilization feels almost cinematic. Battery life is another pleasant surprise. I expected the bigger screen to drain power fast, but instead, Google finally fixed the standby battery issues. I was hitting a full day easily. So, is it worth it? If you want the biggest display, the cleanest Android experience, and Google's best camera to date, then yes, the Pixel 10 Pro XL is absolutely worth it. But if you prefer something lighter or more compact, this might feel a bit too large. So that's it. That's my quick take on the Pixel 10 Pro XL. If you enjoyed this simple, no nonsense tech review, make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.